Hi everybody. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to get templates on Capcut using your PC. If you want to create trendy videos quickly using ready-made templates, we will guide you step by step on how to find and use them on your computer. Now, on your Capcut website dashboard, we just need to find the templates section. Here, you will see many different Capcut templates that we can use. For example, let's choose this template. Some templates are free and some are not. We just need to click on this one. Next, we will click Use this template. Here, we will be uploading some photos to use in our template. Let's upload the file. We will use this profile photo as a sample. This is our logo sample. Let's click Replace. Let's wait for it to generate. Once it's ready, let's play it. And there you go. That's our template. Now we can export it and download it to our computer. We can export or download this so we can use it later. We can also send it to friends or post it on social media. Let's wait for it to finish. Once it's done, the file is now on our computer. Let's check it out. Here is our finished Capcut video template. And that's it. Now we know how to get and use Capcut templates on our PC.